Love is one of the most amazing feelings in the world, right? But it's also one of the most complicated ones. Scientists from different disciplines have tried to understand what love is and how it works. But there's no simple answer to that question because love is different for everyone, and it depends on the context. But don't worry, we're here to help you make sense of this wonderful emotion. How do you define love? What makes you feel loved? And how can you find and keep your soulmate? We have the answers for you at the end of this video, so stay tuned. Hello and welcome to Did You Know, the channel where we explore the fascinating facts and mysteries of life. In this video, we're going to talk about one of the most universal and powerful human experiences, love. What is love? Why do we fall in love? Why is it hard to break up? And why is love so nice and bad at the same time? We will try to answer these questions in this video, using insights from science, psychology, and biology. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. First, love can be broken down into three main parts: passion, intimacy, and commitment. Think of it as a three-legged stool. This idea was cooked up by a psychologist named Robert Sternberg, and it's called the triangular theory of love. Passion is all about that crazy attraction you feel for someone. It's like your heart does somersaults when you see them, your palms get sweaty, and your heart races like it's in a marathon. Intimacy is the warm and fuzzy part. It's when you feel super close and connected to someone like you can trust them with your deepest secrets. It's like having a comfy blanket of emotional security. Commitment is the serious side of love. It's when you decide you're in it for the long haul through thick and thin. You're loyal, dedicated, and willing to make sacrifices to make it work. Now, these three components can mix and match to create different types of love. For example, if you've got a ton of passion but not much else, that's called infatuation. If you've got loads of intimacy, but not a lot of passion or commitment, you're looking at a friendship. If it's all about commitment without much passion or intimacy, that's called empty love. But when you've got all three of them in equal measure, that's the jackpot. It's called consummate love, and it's the real deal. So why do we fall in love in the first place? What makes us feel all tingly and mushy inside? And what's going on in our brains when we're head over heels? Well, that's where science comes in. One big factor in attraction is how someone looks. We tend to be drawn to folks who have symmetrical faces, clear skin, and bright eyes, all signs of good health and fertility. It's like our brains are saying, hey, this person could make some healthy babies. Personality is another big player. We're naturally attracted to people who share our values, beliefs, interests, and hobbies. It's like finding your partner in crime, someone who gets you. Then there are pheromones. These are chemicals our bodies release that can affect our mood, behavior, and even hormones. Some experts think they play a role in picking a mate by signaling genetic diversity and immune system compatibility. When we're into someone, our brains start producing a bunch of chemicals that make us feel all warm and fuzzy. There's dopamine, which is like the feel-good messenger. It's what makes you feel super happy and excited about your crush. Then there's serotonin, which keeps your mood on the up and up. It's like a steady stream of contentment. Oxytocin is another player. It's the bonding hormone. It's what makes you feel all attached and loyal to your partner. And finally, there's vasopressin, which keeps you committed and protective. These chemicals create a sort of feedback loop, making your attraction even stronger. They also do some fancy stuff in different parts of your brain, like the amygdala, which deals with emotions, the hippocampus, which is all about memory, and the prefrontal cortex, which handles decision-making. The amygdala chills out when you're in love, so you're less scared and anxious around your partner. The hippocampus, on the other hand, gets busier, storing all those sweet memories of your time together. And the prefrontal cortex takes a little break, which can make you more impulsive and a little irrational when it comes to your partner, like doing something super romantic on a whim. All this brain magic explains why love can feel so amazing, but also make us a bit crazy. It's like a drug. You want more and more of it. And when you're separated from your partner, you can even go through withdrawal. We will be guiding you through this emotional journey. But for now, let's focus on today's discussion and enjoy the feelings of love and positivity. Stay tuned, as we'll be delving even deeper into this topic in our next video. We'll discuss the intricacies of breaking up and offer more insights. Don't forget to check it out in our next video. If you found this video helpful or relatable, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences on this topic, so please leave a comment below and share your views with us. Thanks for tuning into Did You Know, and we'll catch you in the next video. Bye.